How to enable call recording on iPhone running iOS 26. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Apps, and then select Phone. Scroll down and tap Audio Call Recording. Now, turn on the toggle next to Audio Call Recording. Once enabled, open the phone app and make or answer a call. During the call, tap the More button, then select Call Recording to start recording. Your iPhone will announce that the call is being recorded, so everyone on the call will know that recording is started. To stop recording, simply tap the Stop button or end the call. And that's how to enable call recording on iPhone running iOS 26. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.